Request your free precious metals investment guide. 833-404-GOLD. 833-404-GOLD.
Helping you separate truth from fiction every single weekday. The Clay Travis and Buck Sexton Show.
The last couple of years have been bumpy for business owners. How about a break? If your business has 5 or more employees and managed to survive COVID, you could be eligible to receive a payroll tax rebate of up to $26,000 per employee. This is not a loan. It's a refund of your taxes. The challenge, getting your hands on it.
Go to getrefunds.com. The team of tax attorneys they've put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program and have already returned $1 billion to businesses. They can help you too.
They do all the work with no charges up front and share a percentage of the cash they get for you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those who took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales.
Go to getrefunds.com, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is available for a limited amount of time. That's getrefunds.com. Getrefunds.com.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Shop Black Friday deals at JCPenney. This weekend, get 1 to 2 carat total weight diamond rings, studs, or bracelets in 10 or 14 karat gold, now $899.99. Home Expression Soft Touch Twin Sheet Sets, $699. And Champion Activewear for the family, 40% off. We got your holiday. Black Friday deals. Shop, JCPenney. Offers valid on select items 11/11 through 11/13. Excluded from coupons. Exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
Festivals, football, flannels. Some say fall is their favorite time of year. And this fall, there are now updated COVID-19 booster shots designed to help protect against COVID-19 variants. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster shot appointment as soon as you're eligible. And don't forget to enjoy the foliage. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
You could save big when you bundle your home and auto with Progressive, but when we just come out and say it, it feels like it falls a bit flat. So instead, we're going to have someone else say it. Because for some reason, when a random person talks about how great something is in a commercial, it's more believable.
I saved with a Progressive home and auto bundle.
And there you have it. I mean, I'm not sure why she's more believable than me, but either way, you get the point about the saving. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Discount not available in all states or situations.
A ring, shimmering with 3 blue sapphires for the one who's never left your side. A gold necklace with a lavender gemstone for your dearest friend. A romantic diamond bracelet for a new love. At Shane Company, we create treasures for the people you treasure. With the widest selection of fine jewelry, it'll be easy to find magical holiday gifts for your family and friends. We know your gift represents your love. That's why we put so much care into everything we make. At Shane Company, our diamonds are hand-selected one by one, so they sparkle from every angle. Our gemstones shine in a full spectrum of colors, so you can choose your ideal shade. Our cultured pearls are hand-matched, so when the light hits them, they illuminate beautifully. Visit us today. We're open every day of the week. You can also set up an appointment to meet with a jewelry consultant in the store. We offer virtual appointments too. This year, find true treasures for the ones you love.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
back in, Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show. We are going to be joined by Herschel Walker, who is in a runoff against the Reverend Raphael Warnock. We just talked about Brian Kemp, governor of Georgia, taking over that campaign, trying to get Herschel across the finish line. That is a really big deal. Justin in Kansas, got to be quick with us, but I think I like the cut of your jib here. What you got for us?
Yeah, so my whole take on this whole thing has kind of been that Trump can announce his campaign whenever he wants. Really, we need to show some party unity over like the next 4 weeks, because Nevada and Arizona are going to they're almost to the finish line, and if those don't go our way, 52 is not something I want to see in the Senate on the Democratic side. So they got to just suck up and they got to play nice for a month, maybe even try and campaign down in Georgia together to attract both sides of the aisle, whatever way that people want to vote in 2024. But just show some unity.
Totally agree. All hands on deck to get these last Senate seats.
Amen.
If you could save a life right now, would you? I know you would. I spent time this week with people who do that every day at the preborn pregnancy clinics nationwide. Over the course of their 16 years of operation, they've saved the lives of hundreds of thousands of unborn children, one baby at a time. Here's how Preborn accomplishes this. They introduce moms in crisis to their babies through an ultrasound. When an expecting mom hears her precious baby made in God's image and hears that heartbeat for the first time, she's hearing that baby say, "I'm alive." With that sensation and the caring and loving support and resources available at preborn pregnancy clinics, that mom chooses life a majority of the time. You can help in their godly mission today to save as many babies' lives as possible. To donate securely to preborn, use your cell phone, dial pound 250, say the keyword baby. That's pound 250, say the keyword baby, or you can go to preborn.com/buck. That's where I donate. That website is preborn.com/BUCK.
Of truth. As you crunch the numbers trying to get the most out of your dollar, we'll throw in a $1,000 inflation bonus. Much better. Listen every hour from 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. weekdays for your chance to win $1,000.
AM 1150, The Patriot has your chance to win $1,000 an hour.
Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website. Credit. That's credit. Enter it now.
Good luck from AM 1150, The Patriot.
Fox News, I'm Lillian Wu. President Biden doubling down on emissions commitments at the COP27 summit in Egypt, where he says we're
on track to achieve our Paris Agreement goal of reducing emissions 50 to 52% below 2005 levels by 2005 levels by 2030.
The president also pledging additional funding to help developing economies make climate investments. He's now on his way to Cambodia, the next stop on his 3-country tour. There's a first in Colorado.
Voters have passed a measure that allows adults to use psychedelic mushrooms. The initiative also created so-called healing centers where people can go use the drug under supervision. While shrooms are still considered a Schedule I drug under federal law, the FDA has approved trials to study the effects of psychedelics on PTSD and major depression.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal. America's listening to Fox News. Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Black Friday deals. The gifts are unreal. Shop Black Friday deals at JCPenney. This weekend, get 1 to 2 carat total weight diamond rings, studs, or bracelets in 10 or 14 karat gold, now $899.99. Home Expression Soft Touch Twin Sheet Set, $699. And Champion Activewear for the family, 40% off.